Hello everybody, I hope you are doing fine. Today's session is on present simple. Koha e tashme. Of the verb I tell. So tell in Albanian is tregoj. Tregoj. So I tell a story. Un tregoj një histori. Story is history. History. You tell a joke. You tell a joke. Ti tregon bërsaleta. Ti tregon bërsaleta. He tells the truth. He tells the truth. Ai tregon të vërtetën. Ai tregon të vërtetën. She tells lies. She tells lies. Ajo tregon gënjeshtra. So lies is gënjeshtra. Truth, të vërteta. Të vërteta. He tells a lot about him. Kjo tregon shumë për të. It tells a lot about him. As we have said, it in English will be a lot of times used for abstract, so it's not basically just for animals or plants. So in this case, it's an abstract notion. So kjo tregon shumë për të. We can't tell them apart. We can't tell them apart. Ne nuk e kuptojmë ndryshimin. Ne nuk e kuptojmë ndryshimin. When two people are very similar, you say that ne nuk e kuptojmë ndryshimin. Kur dy njerëz janë shumë të ngjashëm, atëherë themi që nuk ndahen, domethënë nuk janë shumë të ngjashëm, nuk kuptojnë ndryshimin. You tell me who you are. You tell me who you are. Më tregoni kush jeni. Më tregoni kush jeni. They tell us who they are. They tell us who they are. Ata na tregojnë kush janë. Ato na tregojnë kush ose cilët janë. I don't tell lies. Unë nuk tregoj gënjeshtra. You don't tell interesting stories. Ti nuk tregon histori interesante. He doesn't tell jokes. Ai nuk tregon shaka. He doesn't tell jokes or ai nuk tregon shaka. Shaka, here when you say jokes, you can say the same as bërsaleta. So jokes could be shaka or bërsaleta. She doesn't tell her children to stay quiet. She doesn't tell her children to stay quiet. Ajo nuk u thot fëmijëve të rinë qetë. Ajo nuk u thot fëmijëve të rinë qetë. It doesn't tell anything. Ajo nuk tregon asgjë. Ose kjo nuk tregon asgjë. We don't tell them to come back. We don't tell them to come back. Ne nuk u themi atyre të kthehen. You don't tell them you don't tell where you come from. You don't tell where you come from. Ju nuk tregoni nga vini. Ju nuk tregoni nga vini. They don't tell the news. They don't tell the news. Ato nuk I tregojnë të rejat. Ato nuk I tregojnë të rejat. Do I tell? A tregoj unë? Do you tell? A tregon ti? Does he tell? A tregon ai? Does she tell? A tregon ajo? Does it tell? A tregon ai ajo? Do we tell? A tregojmë ne? Do you tell? A tregoni ju? Do they tell? A tregojnë ata ato. So this was today's session. See you tomorrow in the next lesson. Shihemi nesër në mësimin tjetër. Bye bye.